Hey guys, it's Sam from Misfit Garage. I just wanted to do a quick video of the Pro R and Turbo R A-pillar brackets and show you how they're installed. So let's get into it. Obviously, first thing you're going to do is get the boot up and out of the way, which I've already done. And then you get your 18 mil socket and wrench. Pretty simple, just run these out. Just like that. So your A-pillars will come with these washers. If you have a stock cage, this is necessary to put the washer in between the bracket and the bung. As you can see here with the aftermarket cage we have on this car, it's not really necessary, but with the stock bung, it will help the bracket clear. So then you just go ahead and bolt it up.